Good afternoon. Must be wondering why am I clapping for myself? No, I'm not clapping for myself. I wanted to clap for the fantastic initiative taken by the Rotary on literacy mission. It's a noble cause. I think that deserves a big round of applause from all of us. Well done. And from our side, Eureka Forbes side, I carry the best wishes of our chairman, Mr. Shapur Mistry, our executive vice chairman, Mr. Suresh Goklani, and all our Euro champs across the country to say that we are part of the mission and we shall do our best to be with you wherever in the part of India or whichever part of the world we want to take it forward. I'm not going to introduce Eureka Forbes unless somebody wants it specifically. Are you all aware of Eureka Forbes? Are you all happy customers of Eureka Forbes? In case any of you have a service problem, don't tell it loud, come to me separately, I'll handle it. So we are here today to say that we don't measure our success by the billion-dollar turnover or by the profits we make. We measure our success through the lives we touch. We have touched the lives of more than 10 million people across the country in the urban and semi-urban people. Thank you for providing safe, healthy and happy families. And also I'm happy to say that through our rural initiatives, what we call as community fulfillment, we have touched the lives of more than 2 million people already. And that's one thing which makes us proud, that one thing which makes us happy. We would also like to say, as part of the literacy mission, there's an old saying which says, a healthy mind in a healthy body. Right, sir? Rotarian Shekhar Mehta. So a healthy mind in a healthy body. And to have healthy body, you need good water. Because the food is something which you cook, you remove the bacteria before you eat. But water is something which people, especially people who are underprivileged, who cannot afford purifiers, drink as it is. And that's one of the biggest causes of diseases across the world. 80% of diseases are waterborne. So we in Eureka Forbes believe that it's our responsibility, our interest to make sure that every Indian citizen gets safe drinking water. That's our mission. And is something which we cannot achieve by ourselves. We would like to partner with like-minded people. It could be like-minded companies, it could be like-minded Rotary foundations or like-minded NGOs. And we have installed more than 300 such plants across the country with renowned NGOs. And I'm also happy to say that we are involved with Rotary already, sir, in terms of providing safe drinking water across the country. We have our offices in about 250 places across India. And we also have our franchises in the smaller places. So we have provided safe drinking water through the Rotary in different parts of the country. We have worked with the government in providing 8,000 solutions to 8,000 schools in the rural area under the Jal Mani program, where we believe that the children deserve basic water. And we've worked on that, and I'm happy to say that's one thing which is working on. The difference which we can bring as Eureka Forbes and which we stand committed to is the quality of the product, the service after sales, which is where most of the people lack, and making sure that the people who consume the water across the country is safe water all the time. We also have our water labs across the country where the water gets tested regularly and we make sure the necessary inputs are given depending on the seasonality, depending on the condition of the input water. And I would like to end by saying that it would be our privilege to work with the TEACH program as part of the Happy Schools, and on behalf of our Chairman Shapur Mistry and our Executive Vice Chairman Mr. Goklani, we would like to commit that 20% of all expenses related to water treatment solutions would be borne by Eureka Forbes. And I would like to say a special thanks to Rotarian Bal Inamdar and Rotarian Vijay Jalan, who have been working closely with us on this. And with your concurrence, I'm sure that we can make that happen. And it's not a question of selling products. That's the last thing we would like to do. I think we're improving lives. And that's what our intention is. And wish this program of literacy all the very best for great success and happy people for the future of India. Thank you.